Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number B9294P. 17,000 miles in this Grand Caravan. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Contusion blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, including 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Grand Caravan seats 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row. Stone-go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights and rear heat and air controls. Middle row seats are also heated. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. And backup camera for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection. Automatically reverse if anything gets in the way to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And don't forget they are heated. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation to get you where you need to go. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto-dimming mirror. Liftgate sliding door control. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.